mo yun?
Naku mga kabata helmet, nanggagalaiti ako. Nanggagalaiti na nga ako dahil sa mga issue about impeachment, mga flood control, mga maleta na yan. Pero ito, yan, kongresista pa namang naturingan. Ang pangalan yan?
Suntay.
Suntay!
Sa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis. Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. You know, may desire sa loob ko na nag-init talaga. Na-imagine ko na lang kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero siyempre, hanggang imagination na lang yon. Pero, di naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano yung na-imagine ko eh. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
If the Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I would like to have those statements stricken from the record.
Madam
There
Chair,
is
Happy
nothing
Women's Month.
sexual dun sa sinabi ko. Nothing immoral. It's just, I said, may na-imagine ako. I think there is nothing wrong.
Nevertheless, Madam
Madam
Chair,
Chair.
I want that deleted in the record.
Can the chair hear the proper motion towards
I
striking
make a motion,
out from the
Madam
record?
Chair.
Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I move to strike those statements from the record.
Objection, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the earlier manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about his imagination upon seeing Ann Curtis. Do I hear a second?
I second.
The
Second,
same
Madam
has
Chair.
been seconded. Is there any objection? The same has been objected to. Let us now divide the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor, please raise your right hand. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand.
Just a short manifestation, Madam Chair. I just want to put on record that we cannot censure
The Honorable
anything which
Suntay is
illegal,
enjoined
which is
from
not
further
illegal
making
or
manifestation
immoral.
until we resolve the motion. Order, please. With a vote of 13 in the affirmative and 2 in the negative, 2 in the negative, 0 abstain. Meron? I will say it again. With 13 votes in the affirmative, 2 in the negative, and 0 abstention, let the chair say it for the third time. With 13 votes in the affirmative, 2 in the negative, and 2 abstention, the chair orders that the earlier manifestation of the Honorable Suntay be stricken out from the record. So ordered.
Madam Chair, manifestation.
Now you're allowed to make a manifestation.
I think we are starting a dangerous precedent because now we are censoring manifestations which is neither illegal or immoral. So imagine we are conducting a hearing, but now statements which are neither immoral or illegal can be stricken out of the record without any reason. I think that's a terrible
Madam
precedent
Madam
that
Chair.
we're starting.
The Honorable
Thank you.
Zamora.
With all due respect to my friend, Congressman Bong Suntay, it is just the start of the Women's Month. And I don't think that we should be hearing such comments from our dear colleagues. We are not censuring anything, but we are reminding them that, in fact, we should support women by not saying these statements. Next week, Madam Chair, for the record, I'll be attending the UN conference on the Commission, 70th Commission on the Status of Women. This is, I'm sorry, Madam Chair, I just wanted to say this. And this is about removing structural barriers to women's empowerment. And things like this do not empower women. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The chair
Yes.
would like to state that if the manifestation of the justice member offends the sensitivity of the justice members, then it means that we are crossing the boundaries already.
Madam Chair.
After all, we rule here by the judgment of the Justice members. So I hope we respect the decision of the majority of the Justice Committee.
Madam Chair, just for clarity, there are two words which was uttered. I want to know, which was offensive? The word desire
Point of
or the
point
word
of order.
imagination?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam.
The Honorable Suntay is reminded that
Point of order, Madam Chair. Point of
as
order.
to whether or not the manifestation is indeed
No, because
suggestive
I just
of
want to know what is
immorality.
being...
Order, please. The
Point
chair
of order.
is
I'm
addressing the committee.
I'm raising a point of order, Madam Chair, on the basis that...
Please let the chair finish with her statement. As to whether or not the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay is offensive of our morality is a judgment that belongs exclusively to the Justice members. I think the majority have spoken already.
Madam
The
Chair,
Honorable Adjong is
Thank you, Madam Chair.
recognized.
I'm raising a point of order on the basis that the issue has already been acted upon by the committee. The committee decided to delete and strike the portion of the statement of Congressman Swansing from the record. So let's proceed. Let's move forward.
Madam Chair,
There's
I
no
am
point of-
manifestation
there's
is
no point of
noted.
dilly-dallying the process by going back to the issue that has already been acted by the committee. So that is my point of order.
Madam Chair,
Honorable
point of order
Suntay.
also. I am not questioning that the statement was stricken out. I am asking so that next time I would be more careful. If it is desire, I will never use desire in this committee. If it is imagination, then I will not use it also. Just for clarity, clarification purposes. Dahil baka yung iba yung gumamit, di ba? Dapat they should be forewarned also. So that's
Madam
why
Chair.
I'm asking.
To conclude our discussion on the
There was
earlier
a ma-
manifestation of the Honorable Suntay, the Honorable Adjong is correct. The same has been ruled upon, and let us all be reminded, it is the majority that rules in this committee.
O, doon sa lahat ng mga hindi nakaabot, o, yan nga yung sinabi. Kasi nga, ina-explain dyan, videographer, yung palitan kasi ng statement, ng argumento regarding nga dun sa video ni Madam Sara Duterte. So, tapos na magsalita si Kong Leila. Edi, ito naman si Suntay ang bumanat. Tapos, hindi ko mawari, bakit dumating doon sa point na nadamay si Ann Curtis? Sinabi ha, maliwanag na maliwanag, mga bata helmet, ilang beses ko talagang inulit yung video na yan, yung hearing na yan, at ongoing pa rin yan, na nung nakita nga daw niya si Ann Curtis sa Shangri-La, talagang maganda nga daw, super ganda. Tapos nandun daw yung bigla siyang nakaramdam ng desire. Tapos parang nag-init daw siya, tapos parang inimagine na lang niya. Ano ba? Kuya, Women's Month. March is Women's Month.
Anong kabastusan niya?
Napakabastos ng bibig mo, no? Sasabihin mo hindi yun sexual harassment, verbal harassment siya.
Oo.
And it pertains na rin sa sexual harassment.
Oo.
Kasi yung desire, nag-init ka,
Sinabi mo eh.
imagination,
Oo.
nung nakita mo tong, nawala yung respeto eh. Hindi mo na rin respeto, hindi mo na ginalang yung pagkababae ni Madam Ann Curtis. Diba? At kahit sino pang babae na
Oo.
makita mo, tas nakaramdam ka ng ganyan, nakakawalang respeto. Ano ba yan mga kabata helmet? Nagpapasweldo tayo ng ganyang klaseng kongresista,
Na may desire.
ng may desire, ng ganyang klaseng politiko. Nakakababayan ng moralidad, nakakababayan ng integridad bilang isang babae. Alam niyo mga batang helmet, sinusulong ang women's empowerment. Pero paano mo masasabing sinusulong ang empowerment or women's empowerment kung ganyang klaseng mga tao, ganyang klaseng individual, ganyang klaseng lalaki ang mande-degrade? Nakaka-degrade siya ha.
Oo.
Kasi di ba dapat na-meet mo tong artista na to or kung sino man ang na-meet mo. Wala yung ganong na subconscious mo na may iniisip ka palang sana ganito yung nangyayari, sana ganito yung interaction namin, sana ganito yung walang ganun eh, kung may paggalang ka talaga. So ito mga kabatang helmet, talagang sumisingaw, lumalabas. Ano to? Talagang mana-mana lang sa poon, naman niya? Ha?
Oh.
Ganun? Ay, eto, hindi na tayo mag-sugar coat, total bastos din naman ng bibig niya. Tapos sasabihin niya, bakit in-strike out daw yung sinabi niya, buti na lang talaga, nandyan sila Kong Zamora, di ba? Siyempre, si Kong Luistro, na, at bumoto rin naman yung ng Congress at nanalo naman ang majority, na-strike nga yan, kasi nakakababa ng moralidad. At buti na lang, itong si Kong Adjong Bichogapur, kasi ito mga kabatang helmet, ito rin yung isa ko pang tiningnan. Pinasok yung desire niya kay Ann Curtis. Ano to? Para medyo mawala, ma-discourage sa totoong issue na impeachment. Kasi impeachment yung pinag-uusapan di ba?
Oo.
Bakit hindi kay Madam Sara Duterte ka nagkaroon ng desire? Di ba dapat, ang pinag-usapan si Madam Sara Duterte, that impeachment niya yun, bakit
Oo.
bigla yung pinasok si Ann Curtis? Eto pa, buti nga nagsalita na lang si Kong Adjong na, na-strike na, nagawa na ng manifestation, bumalik na tayo sa totoong
Balik na,
issue.
balik.
Dahil kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng hearing ngayon dahil nga about the impeachment ni Madam Sara Duterte. Pero ito nga, mga batang helmet, nakaka-degrade. Conduct unbecoming para sa isang leader, para sa isang politiko, para sa pinapasweldo ng taong bayan. Di ba, Pichogapur?
Civil servant siya eh.
Yeah!
Government employee ka.
Yes! Government employee ka, ganyan ang bunganga mo, kuya! Nakakairita,
Bastos.
ha? Nakakabasto. Sabihin man ng mga DDS or ng mga script nyo dyan na nagmamalinis, kesyo ganito,
Ay!
santo daw ba? Hindi siya about sa pagmamalinis, hindi siya about sa being righteous. Ito ay usaping moral. Ito ay usaping respeto. Kasi kayo, kung wala kayong respeto, bahala kayo sa sarili nyo. Siguro, kayo, okay lang na binabastos kayo ng
Oo.
mga tao sa paligid nyo at tuwang-tuwa pa kayong manyakin kayo, bastusin kayo, kasi ganun kayo Pero ayun nga, nakakainis lang mga batang helmet kasi, syempre, bilang nasa medical field, sinusulong namin ang karapatan ng mga kababaihan. Syempre, di ba, kaya nga meron kami subject na maternal and child care.
Oo.
Tapos ganyan, klase! Ha? Ang maririnig, ang mapapanood ko, ay,
Bawal ang bastos
yes,
law.
may bastos, bawal bastos law, may ganyan na. Ay nako abangan na lang natin ang mga susunod na ganap. Ano kaya, meron ba siyang asawa, may anak ba siya, may mga kapatid ba siyang babae, may mga pinsang babae? Syempre, may nanay siya. At babae ang nanay niya. Ano kaya masasabi ng nanay niya na ganyan mag-isip ang anak niya, ganyang utak meron ang anak niya na napakabastos. Sinusulong natin ang karapatan ng bawat lahat, no? Kababaihan man yan, bata man yan, kalalakihan man yan. Diyos ko naman, sayang pinapasweldo talaga, nakakahiya, sayang talaga, sayang. Ay nako, buti na lang talaga. Meron pa rin mga tumitindig para sa karapatan ng mga kababaihan. Kaya clap pa rin tayo. Pero yun nga, comment nyo lang kung masasabi dyan. Nagagalate talaga ako. Pero stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe tayo as always. Ako po si BH. Para sa kababaihan.
Huwag matakot.
Kapal.
Makiba ka.
Kayo ba? Dali yung joke. Basta,
Makiba ka.
ayan mga bata helmet Comment nyo lang kung masasabi dyan. Pero nakakabastos talaga.
Bastos siya.